Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to combine tables to one column in Google Sheets. So in this case, I'm going to combine all the names of student in these tables into one column in here. So instead of you can copy it one by one like this, but it will probably take a long time, especially when you have many tables. So what you can do is you can just use the flatten formula like this. I've already written it in here. So you just need to click on the formula at the first column, flatten like this, and then select the first range. So in this case, this table right here, and then comma and the second range. If you have more than two tables, you can add this until the whole tables, and then when you're done, just click on enter and the names will be automatically copy or moved here. See, it's so easy, and the names is now in here in one column. Okay, so that is how you can combine tables to one column in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in next video. Thank you.